Is Donald Trump trying to win over Black Americans with presidential pardons? After commuting Alice Johnson's prison sentence, he announced that more pardons are likely on the way.
Thinking about somebody that you all know very well, and he went through a lot. No, I'm not thinking about O.J. He was not very popular then. His memory is very popular now. I'm thinking about Muhammad Ali.
But the thing is, Muhammad Ali doesn't legally need to be pardoned. Ali was convicted for refusing to enter the military during the Vietnam War. He was originally sentenced to 5 years, his license to box suspended, and he was stripped of his title. The boxer had just converted to Islam a few years prior, so he refused to take part in military service because of his religious beliefs. But here's the thing, Ali's conviction doesn't need to be pardoned. It was already thrown out by the Supreme Court in 1971, and President Carter has already issued a blanket pardon to those who evaded the draft, way back in 1977. A posthumous pardon of Muhammad Ali, who died in 2016, would literally mean nothing. After Trump's comments, Ali's attorney even released a statement saying, "There's no conviction from which a pardon is needed." Trump recently granted a posthumous pardon to boxer Jack Johnson, which stemmed from a 1913 conviction for transporting a white woman across state lines. Sylvester Stallone personally met with Trump to urge him to pardon Johnson. What a great photo op. The thing is, Trump's recent pardons of Black Americans hasn't arisen from his personal beliefs or opinions on policy, but rather for his own need for acceptance. Donald Trump seems to be really obsessed with celebrity worship. When Ali was convicted, Trump was in his early 20s, and Ali had godlike status amongst boxing fans and much of Black America. Trump probably knows he'll never have that respect. He even said that he's thinking of meeting with NFL players who've kneeled during the national anthem to hear who they'd like him to pardon, even though it appears like he could care less about their stance on the mistreatment of Black folks by police, the real reason they're taking a knee in the first place. This is similar to after the school shooting in Parkland, Florida, how Trump's initial gut reaction was to enforce tighter gun restrictions, only to flip-flop days later. He wants to be seen as above the fray and fighting for popular ideas, but then he finds himself being pulled back by his base. Enforcing systemic change takes hard work, and fighting for civil rights will always be deeply unpopular with Trump supporters. So it seems with pardons, Trump has found the perfect middle ground, a way to do the minimum, creating an outward appearance of change without actually making the effort to institute said change at a national scale. Trump, we're on to you.
What's up? I'm PJ with The Root. We're dedicated to bringing you more series and videos like this, and we need your help. Let us know what you thought below, and also subscribe to our channel on YouTube.